Let's start with the configuration. All of you are done with the topology? Visible? Somehow. Now visible? So we will discuss RIP version 1 between R1 and R2. Fine. Interface loopback. Fine. IP addressing is done. How I will check? Show IP interface. Exclude. Have a habit of this thing also. Fine. All interfaces are up. I will move on to conf interface. Sorry. 12.0.0. No. FA0/ IP address. Interface loopback. Done. Show IP interface brief. Exclude. Done. Between R1 and R2 all things are done. Yes. GNS है इसलिए सिर्फ ये रीजन है. रियल डिवाइस पे कर लेना, कभी भी नहीं आएगा. यू कैन ट्राई दिस थिंग. फाइन. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा उसने समझ में आया? किसी का क्वेश्चन भी अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आता तो आप पूछ सकते हो, सर उसने पूछा गया. फाइन. नाउ आई हैव टू रन रिप. सो गाइस, फर्स्ट कमांड टू रन रिप ऑन R2 इज राउटर रिप. नेक्स्ट कमांड network. Network is 12.0.0. Second network is 2.0.0. Third network is. Any problem? Any issue? Any issue? No. First of all, we will discuss by default version. By default version is 1. By default R1 पे जो R1 से डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है. हाँ जी. R2 पे वो नेटवर्क्स बताने हैं जो R2 से. मैंने आपको कल रीजन बताया था कि डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड नेटवर्क्स क्यों बताने हैं, क्योंकि उन्हीं नेटवर्क्स में मुझे क्या सेंड करवाना है? अपडेट. कल सारी कहानी सुनाई तो थी कि व्हाट नेटवर्क कमांड विल डू. नेटवर्क कमांड विल डू 2 things. First, when router will find a network command under router rep configuration, router will start sending update on that particular interface on which you are running the network. Second, router will include that network in the update. Agree? Router rep. Fine. Network 12.0.0. Second network 13.0.0.0. Third network. Any problem? Now, show IP protocol is the first command to verify a routing protocol. What this command will do? What this command is telling me? Yes. Who will read the result? सबकी बारी आएगी. स्टार्ट करो आपसे. बहुत सारी कमांड चलाएंगे हम, तो रीड करना है आपको रिजल्ट. जहां मैं कहूंगा वहां रुक जाना, वहां उसके बाद आप शुरू हो जाना. हाँ जी, पढ़ो क्या लिखा हुआ है. नहीं ब्रो, उससे ऊपर भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है ब्रो. उसके उन दोनों लाइनों के बीच में राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल इज रिप. दिखा नहीं? क्लियर करूं और अब दिख रहा है? राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल इज रिप। हाँ जी, अगली लाइन। साइज बड़ा करूं? एक मिनट रुक जा भाई। तू है कि नहीं? शो आईपी फाइन। अब पढ़ा जा रहा है? ठीक, पढ़ो। रिप। Which routing protocol we are running? Second line. What do you mean by this thing? Update filter list. I am not doing any filtering in my updates. I am not doing. What is update filtering? Try to understand. Try to understand English. English किसकी अच्छी है? Who is good in English? I am not good in English. I am good in technology. Fine. Try to understand. What is saying? Outgoing update filter list is not set. What do you mean by this thing? This simply means that I am giving all my updates to my adjacent router. I am not filtering any updates. It means you can filter updates also. You can filter updates. This thing is clear, but we don't have to discuss about that thing now. Next thing. I am not filtering updates which are coming to me. It means you have two options. Either you can filter updates when you are sending, and either you can filter updates when you are receiving. Next thing. This is your update interval. This is your next slide. अगला अपडेट कितनी देर बाद जाएगा? 19 सेकंड के बाद। नेक्स्ट थिंग, leave this thing for now. Fine, we have not discussed hold down timer. Next is this thing is fine. What is writing? Redistributing. What do you mean by this thing? What do you mean by redistribution?
जो चीज पहुंच के फिर वापस ज्वाइन करना, मतलब जो चीज मतलब खत्म हो चुकी है, मतलब फिर वापस उसको आफ्टर फ्लश आफ्टर 231 खत्म हो गया ना।
No.
सर बाकी को अपडेट देना कि उसकी हटा दें, तो दो प्रोटोकॉल चलाना होता है।
देखो, redistribution is a concept that we haven't discussed till now. What is redistribution? Redistribution means to make communication possible between two routing protocols. What is redistribution? To make communication possible between to define, or you can say defining a way how two different routing protocols will communicate. Agree? But till now we haven't discussed. We will leave this line. Fine. Now, default version, send version, receive version, receive any version. This is the behavior of by default version of RIP we are running on the router. Till now I haven't defined the. अब तक मैंने वर्जन डिफाइन, तो जब तक मैंने वर्जन डिफाइन नहीं किया, what we discussed yesterday, what will be the behavior? Router will send which version updates? Router will receive which version updates? Both. Agree? The thing is fine. Next thing, interface, FA. This network you have advertised by network command. Agree or not? Okay, you want to check now. On FA0/0, you have defined IP. You have advertised this network by network command. That's why you are finding this network here. What do you mean by these three things? Interface, FA0/0/1. It means router is sending update on 0/0. Router is sending update on. Router is sending update on. Now, router is sending which version update? Router is sending which version update? Router is sending which version update? And router is able to receive which version updates? 1.2.1.2 means both. This thing is clear. What do you mean by trigger drift? No, by update in RIP. By default, there are no triggered update in RIP. You can configure triggered update, but that thing is not in your syllabus. Fine. Next thing, keychain. Keychain is used whenever you people use authentication. What you will use? What is authentication? Homework for all of you. What is the difference between authorization and authentication? What is the difference between authorization and authentication? ठीक है? Authentication हमें CCNA में नहीं पढ़ना. We don't have to study authentication in CCNA. Fine. Next thing. भाई बारी नहीं भूलनी, अपना ध्यान रखना है यहाँ से.
Automatic network summarization is in.
Automatic network summarization is in. It means auto summarization is by default on. But we are running version and there is no effect of auto summarization on version. So we don't give a fuck about this thing. Agree? Next thing, maximum paths is by default. How many equal cost paths router will install in the routing table for a particular destination? Not more than. Next thing.
Routing for networks.
For which networks I am doing routing? For this, for this, for this. Guys, you know one thing. Here I can only define class full networks. I cannot define class. It means there will be an issue. There will be a, what kind of issue will be there? I will give you the case. Just wait for 1 minute. Fine. Next thing is
Routing information sources.
routing information.
Gateway 12.0.0.2.
My gateway is my next hop. My gateway is my next hop. It's like this. I and you are running RIP. When you will send me an update, in your update there will be a source IP, and that source IP will act a next hop for me. Agree or not? This thing is clear. So what I will do, I will mark your source as my gateway. This thing is clear. What is distance? AD. It is 120, which is by default defined in operating system. Last update was received 11 seconds before. This whole result is clear. Any issues? Now.
So gateway 30 network भी हो सकता है.
किसका हो सकता है bro?
30 network.
Bro मैंने R3 पे अभी रिप नहीं चलाया. I am just running RIP between R1 and R2. Fine. हाँ जी, एक case for all of you that what I told you cannot run. You cannot define a classless network command in RIP. Classless network command. What I am trying to tell you, this is R1. Fine. Okay, I will draw proper topology so that thing will be more clear. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. In companies, we always used subnetted networks. Fine. Just think like in this domain. Sorry. Which protocol I am running? In this domain, which protocol I am running? Agree? Any issues? Now look here. Here I am running network 10.1.1.0/ on this interface. Sorry, we will not define it like this. We will define it like this. 14.0/ 10.1.12.0/ 10.1.15.0/ 10.1.13.0/. These all networks are subnet of same network 10.0.0.0/8. Agree? It means when I will go on R1, I will write the router RIP. I will write a command network 10.1.1 14.0 10.1. 12.0 10.1. 10.1. but on this interface I am not running RIP, so I will not include this network. But RIP will always use, or RIP will always take this network as a classful network. It doesn't matter, we are defining it classless. This thing is clear. So RIP will always understand this network like this, 10.0.0. This thing is clear. Now this router will say, on this network I am also running 10's network, on this on this interface I am also running, on this interface I am also running, on this interface I am also running. It will start sending update on all 4 interfaces, but I don't want update on this interface. This thing is clear. मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूं, रिप के केस में आप क्लासलेस नेटवर्क डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते अगर मेरे पास 2 इंटरफेसेस हैं. If I have 2 interfaces and on both of the interfaces I am running classless network of same major network, same, जैसे मेरे पास my major network is 10.0.0.0/8 and my networks I am running on my interfaces is, on one interface it is 10.1.0.0/24, on other interface it is 10.1.2.0/24. When I define a network command in RIP, RIP will always use that network command as 10.0.0. and RIP will always send update on both of the. It doesn't matter, you want to send it on one interface. Agree? So it is not possible in RIP to define a network command which is classless. RIP will always take network command as classful. This thing is clear? So what you will do in this case? I can define this interface as passive interface. This thing is clear? So RIP will not send an update on this particular interface. Agree? Any problem? Now, debug IP RIP events. Read here, sending to which address? Via which interface? Via which interface? FA0/ update contains how many routes? Okay, on this router, for how many networks you are running RIP? For 1, for 12 and for 13. This is a network on which it is sending the update. In the update, carrier is never included. What we include in the update? Only transport. Only. That's why it's written here. Update contain how many routes? 2 routes. Update sent via which interface? Receive version 1 update from. So 12.0.0.2 is my next hop. Update contain how many routes? Okay. Sending one updates on fast Ethernet 0/1. Source IP is 13.0.0. It means for R3 next hop will be 13.0.0.1. भाई मैं R1 से R3 अपनी कॉपी में डायग्राम देखो और 13.0.0.1 IP कहाँ है चेक करो. 13.0.0.1 is the IP address assigned on the interface that is connected to R3 from R1 to R3. क्या बोल रहा है ये? 4 रूट्स कैसे? हाँ जी देखो यार, R1 I am running RIP only between these 2 routers. Fine. One loop back here, one loop back here, one network, this, one network, this, one network, this. On R1, how many network I have advertised? 3. On R2, how many network I have advertised? Sorry, 3. Fine. Now when R1 will send an update on this interface, which networks it will include? First, second, third and fourth. Fine. भाई किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ सकते हो आप. कितने नेटवर्क इंक्लूड करेगा? 4. नहीं समझ में आया? भाई कल बताया था यार, R1 जब R2 को अपडेट भेजेगा कभी भी इस कैरियर की इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं भेजेगा. तो नाउ R1 इज सेंडिंग अपडेट ऑन दिस इंटरफेस, ही विल नेवर सेंड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस कैरियर. एग्री? नाउ R2 is giving an update to R1. R2 is giving an update to R1. How many routes R2 is giving? 1, 2. This thing is clear? 2 हो गए. Now when R1 has to send an update, 2 routes are advertised by R2. Third is this route and fourth is this route. So when R1 is sending update on this particular interface, how many routes are there? 4. This thing is clear? Fine. Now sending version 1 update to 255.25 via loopback. R1 is also sending updates on which loopback? Loopback, and update contain how many routes? 4 routes. How 4 routes? Updates are sent on this interface. It means loopback is not included. First network, second, third, fourth. How many routes are there? 4. Clear? जिस नेटवर्क पे अपडेट भेज रहा हूं उसको कभी इंक्लूड नहीं करूंगा. दिस थिंग इज क्लियर? सो RIP version 1 is clear. How updates are sent? Updates are always sent broadcast, and how you have to read show IP protocols. Next thing, show IP route. How many networks you are running, learning? One is 200/8. Other is 2300/. This is. Next hop is. This thing is fine. Any issue? No. If I run no auto summary in case of RIP version 1, do it make a change? It will not make a change. Fine. Now what I will do, I will run version 2 on all three routers. Fine. Which version I will run? 2. I am done on R1. I am done on R2. I have to run it on R3. IP addresses are done. No. Conti interface FA0/ IP address 2300. IP address 3400. Interface loopback, one IP address. I have to run router network 2300. Next network 13000. Next network 3.0.0. Which version we have to run? Version 2. On R1 and R2, which version we have to run? Router version. Yes. भाई नॉट और समरी कर लेंगे, पहले नॉट और समरी के बिना तो देख लें. राउटर RIP वर्जन डन. On R1 we are running version 2. Show IP protocols. Now default version control, send version, receive version. How many gateways are there? 2 gateways. Any problem? They are receiving update after every 30 seconds. You can check here. Fine. Show IP route rep. I am receiving 2 network from how many sides? 3 network from how many sides? 23 network from how many sides? Metric is really 1 from both of the sides. Then why I am getting this wrong information? Yes. Wait. जादू show IP rep database. Guys, here this thing is understood that for 12th network R3 can perform load balancing. Fine. This thing is clear that R1 will advertise this 12 network with a metric of 1. R2 will also advertise this 12 network with a metric of 1. But this thing is not clear why R1 is doing load balancing for R3's loopback and R3 is doing load balancing for show IP route. Show IP protocols. We are running version 2. Wait, I will check. Show IP protocols. Okay, wait. अरे बता देते हैं क्या हुआ था, समझना तो पड़ा ही क्या हो रहा है। R1, R2, R3, R1 का लूप बैक, R1 is having a loop back 1.1.1.1. R1 is advertising a loop back at auto summary on the auto summary was on 1.0.0.0/8. Now on R2 auto summary is also on. Now R2 is advertising this network as its own network, because what he is doing, he is summarizing the network. ठीक है जी, what I am trying to say, R1, R2, R3, R1 is also performing auto summarization, R2 is also performing, R3 is also performing auto summarization. R1 is sending a network to R2. R2 is not just forwarding the network. What R2 is doing? R2 is performing auto summarization. That's why R2 is not changing the metric. R2 is forwarding the same metric to R3. So from R1 also R3 is getting the same metric, and from R2 also R3 is getting the same metric. That's why it was load balancing for 1.1.1.1 loop back. But as I run the command no auto summary, fine. As I run the command no auto summary, what will happen? It will not summarize. एक चीज और भी हो सकती है, R1 ने R2 को दिया, R2 ने R3 को दिया, R3 ने दोबारा किसको दे दिया, ऐसा हो सकता है? Split horizon is on this interface, bro. Try to understand. Split horizon is for the interface from which I am sending the update. The rule is, if I am sending update out of this interface, R2 is receiving update on, R2 will not send back update back on this interface, but R2 can send the update on this interface. So R2 will send the update to R3. R3 will again send the update to R1. These types of loops can occur in RIP. You cannot prevent these kind of loops in RIP. If you have to prevent, there is a way. We will not discuss it. That is not in your syllabus. Fine. Because we are not covering summarization here. We are just disabling or enabling summarization. Fine. What is this thing happening? I can explain you again. Here auto summary is on. Here also. Here also. So every router is performing auto summarization, and this is the rule. Whenever router will perform summarization, router will mark that this network is originated by me. Router will never change the metric. So as I run the command no auto summary, everything is working fine. You can check here, show IP route. I am getting, see, R1 will perform load balancing for this network, R2 will perform load balancing for this network, and R3 will perform load balancing for this particular network. Fine. And what are thing I am running? No auto summary. So you can check routing table of R2. I am getting 1.1.1.1 slash 3.3.3.3 slash 32. One more thing. Show IP route RIP. For which network it is performing load balancing? For 12th network. 1.1.1 is 1 hop away, and 2.2.2 is also 1 hop away. This thing is clear? Now look here. If on R3, if I shut the interface, which interface? This particular interface, this interface. Fine. What will happen? interface FA0/1 shut. Show IP route rep. 1.1 is gone at the same time, but when I will again get the update from R2, I will get 1.1.1.1. This thing is fine. This thing is called periodic updates. I'm getting the network, but this time metric is 2. Fine. This thing is clear. When I re-enable the link, interface FA0/1, no, shut. Show IP route rep. Metric is 1. At the same time, it will hurt the update, because when you shut or no shut the link, there will be a triggered update. Always keep one thing in mind, like I am on R2. Sorry, I am on R1. If I shut the loopback, interface loopback 1, shut down, what will happen? At the same time, update will be removed. It will never take 240 seconds. We have discussed this thing.